Are you sending emails to people and they're getting blocked? Are you using Google Workspace, which is the business Gmail platform? If you are sending emails to people and they're getting blocked, then I may have some help for you. Again, if you're using Google Workspace, I am using Google Workspace. If you look at my domain, I'm an admin, so you have to have access to your admin console to be able to do this. You can see for me, this may not be relevant to you, I have two domains. I have my primary domain and I have a secondary domain. The primary domain I use when I'm emailing people personally. The secondary, Burris Consulting, I use that when I'm emailing business connections. All of this falls in the same Google Workspace. It's all in the same email. Now, however, what was happening is because I didn't have my domain set up right, I was getting this message and getting my messages blocked. Now, how did I solve this? First of all, I went to in here and I went to support. And because I have access as an admin, because I'm paying for Google Workspace, I have access to Google Help. So in Google Help, I looked up how to stop my messages from getting blocked. I researched the 3 different things that I needed to research. For me, it was overwhelming. So I used these words. Listen to these words. After I looked at the documents, I then came back to Google support and I said this: I need to talk to a human. Those words, after I viewed the documents, those words got me in contact with a Google support specialist, and he helped me solve my problem. Now, I'm going to show you what he had me do, but I'm going to tell you very clearly, do not copy what I did, because what I did was relevant to my domain. It might not be exactly relevant to yours, but you're going to need this. Here's what I did. To do this, you need access to your domain. I'm using GoDaddy. I can access it, log into it. You need access to this, or you need help from someone who does have access to this. Now, how did I solve it? I did this. At the very bottom, you can see I added 3 entries. First, I added an entry regarding SPF. Then I added an entry regarding DKIM. And then I added an entry relevant to DMARC. Now, I didn't know what this is all about. It's beyond me. But the Google support person helped me put these text entries into my DNS, basically by going up here and add a new record. And when I did this, I made sure the syntax was exactly right. This content right here, I did not create. It was created in my admin console when I went to set up DKIM. It told me how to create this string. And this string right here, the Google support guy told me what to put here. All right? Again, do not copy mine. It will not work for you. Additionally, I have 2 domains. I had to do this for teddyburris.com. And I also had to do it for burrisconsulting.com. And if you see here, down at the bottom, it is almost identical. I added the SPF record, I added the DKIM record, and I added the DMARC 1 record. After I added these records to my DNS, I waited 2 days. I went back. I sent an email to the lady that was kicking back to me as blocked, and it went through. So the bottom line is, if you're sending emails using your Google Workspace and they are getting blocked, then you're going to need to make sure that you update your DNS and you put the appropriate syntax and content for an SPF 1, a DKIM, and for DMARC. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy, and I hope this is helpful for you.